Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing a DIY book stack. All the items you need I am going to show you. I just got 3 books, any books. I got these at the dollar store for $1 each because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. But anyways, you need 3 books, 2 or 3, 4, whatever books you want. Doesn't have to be a certain kind of book, but I got 2 paints and they were on clearance at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Oh, they were at Michael's for 87 cents. And then I got this at the dollar store. It's just burlap, if you could see. There you go, got some burlap. And as well as I went to the Target dollar spot, and I got these cute little stamps, and there were $3 each. Like, look at this one, it has pumpkin, fall sweets fall, so it's very pretty. So this was also $1, and obviously I needed some ink to actually press these down in, and then just a regular paintbrush, some glue gun, obviously a good glue gun, and I might add this, which was from the dollar spot as well. This was $1. It's not focusing because it's so white, but this was $1 at the dollar spot. I might just add it on there. I'm not really sure. You guys will see how I did it. So yeah, I hope you guys like these type of videos. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Remember also to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started with this DIY because it's gonna get messy. Okay guys, first things first is I took the book covers off the books because I was going to paint this the orange that you've seen previously. I felt like this was more convenient for me. It is messier, however, since there really wasn't any books that had an orange color already, I was like, I have to paint them because there's no way I'm going to find any book covers that are orange, which if you guys know if there is even orange colored bookshelves, book covers, let me know, because this is a struggle to find it. And finally I decided just to go to the Dollar Tree and just pick up 3 random books. Some of the books, like those 2 books next to each other right now, they are kind of the same size, a little bit smaller than each other, and then that blue book was a lot smaller than the other 2 because I kind of wanted to make it like stackable and you could see a difference. I didn't want just a complete, like all of them just the same size. I felt like putting a little smaller one on top gave it a I guess a better look, I would say. But I will also like to stop for a moment and thank Cheaper by the Dollar, because she's the one who inspired me to actually create this. And she inspired me to end up going to Pinterest and finding a photo that I was trying to relate to that I absolutely love. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to recreate this because she did it and she gave me the motivation to create one. She gave me the confidence. So thank you so much for giving me this inspiration, because if it wasn't for you I would have never done this. But I'm glad I did because it came out so pretty. I hope you guys will like how it comes out at the end. Anyways, you see me with this book right now. I am just leaving this that little spot there empty, mainly because I am going to glue these books together. You don't need to do this. I only did this because fall is the only time I can really use this color, because you guys know me, I'm mostly pink. So I just used I just glued them together so it could just stay put instead of having it all fall over. So this last one I just completely covered as well because this was going to be on the top. So you guys will see me, I'm going to just keep on painting. This was the messiest part. Also guys, I like to keep it real 100%. I am going to show you all the little challenges I went through trying to do this, and I feel like it's it's actually better to see the little trial and errors that people do when they do DIYs, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to DIYs. So you see me here using the little small paintbrush just to get the outer edges, because I realized that as you could see on the other books, you could tell it was a different color. So I was like, dang, I have to color the edges, and that's what I pretty much did, was just color the edges. Also guys, you don't have to be neat, because if you think about it, it kind of looks a little rusticy, I guess. I don't know. That's at least what I'm telling myself, because I did get a little bit messier in one of the books. Like you see there, like it all went on the actual paper covers, like it's all smeared there. But it's okay because I kind of displayed it, where you can't really see it. But I just got a little bit messy because anyways, this is where I just pretty much just glue them together with a hot glue gun. Which, guys, by the way, I don't know why I've never had a hot glue gun until now, because this thing is like my best friend now. I absolutely love this glue gun. I kept, like, I need to buy more glue, because I did another project, which you guys will see in October, that I use a ton of glue for, and I'm like, oh, this thing is so amazing. Anyways, let me stop ranting about, not ranting, but talking about the glue gun. But you see here, I am putting the last top of the bookshelf on the book, and pretty much this is when the struggling starts to come, and you guys will see. This is how it's looking so far. I am going to do another coat of the orange so I could take away the grayish part. But yeah, I rather just stack it up together and then paint it. That way I know exactly where to paint. So guys, you would just see me here doing a second coat, which is very necessary because it actually made the orange look out, make it more vibrant, because the darkness of some of the books really made it into like a dark purple-ish. So definitely a second coat was needed for this book. So right here, I just take the burlap from Dollar Tree and I just pretty much put it around the books, not completely around. I just put that much in it because you really didn't need to have so much just going all the way around. You just wanted to have it like towards the front so it could look really nice. So I put glue gun, guys, that burned. I've been burning myself with the glue gun like non-stop, but I'm like, nah, I can handle the burn because this is so much fun. But you see me here, right here, just putting the burlap just enough for it to look all nice and pretty. And guys, I forgot to mention like how much this all cost. It did have, I think it was gonna be like 15 bucks, but I didn't end up using a lot of the things. So pretty much I spent like, well, if you consider the burlap, I guess, because I only used like a quarter of the burlap, but if you want to get all detailed, it's, I don't know. It was just like under $10, I should say. But this is when the feels become, visible. I thought this was an amazing idea to use ink and these little ink stamper thingies. And yeah, you guys will see how it did not work out, unfortunately, but it was still a fun look. At that, come on now, it was dry as heck, but after a while you just have to keep on pressuring, just how I did right there. I was like getting mad. I was like, why is this not coming out? And then I pasted on there and that one came out good. However, it wasn't as detailed as I thought it would be. And I ended up just using Hello Pumpkin on there, and as you could tell, like you could see the H has like the blackness from the edges, and I was just like, what the heck. I think I should have not stacked them together first. I should have done it separately. Maybe it would have came out better, but this is my first DIY stackable book, and you guys, you just have to pretty much learn as you go, especially with me, as I am honestly, like, I guess you could say I'm the first time DIYer, I guess, because I've never taken DIYing seriously until I started doing YouTube. and I've been seeing all these great DIYs everywhere, and I was like, you know what? I could do this too. But anyways, as you guys could see here, I finally put it all, like, it's all crooked. And I have a problem with things that are crooked. Like, as you can see, the PUM is really spaced apart until, you know, away from the other P, and that drove me crazy. So what I did here was trying to, I just got frustrated and was like, I need to start all over because this is not working out. Don't like how I came. It's all crooked. I just have a thing where everything has to be lined up perfectly. However, it was not happening right now. So this is actually my second time actually covering it. It's up. I did cover it up a third time because, again, it did not work out. So let me switch up the ink, and decided to do this one. And then, yeah, it did not do the whole pumpkin on there, and I was just looking at it. If you guys heard my audio, I was so frustrated. Like, why? Look at how, like, so I ended up repainting it over, not having it, not liking it. I was just so frustrated at this moment. But I promise you guys, towards the end, it came out good. A little bit still crooked, but hey, you know, like I said, this is my first time doing this type of DIY. So for my very first time, I was like, okay, I'm good. Anyways, I decided to finally just use some white paint and put it on the stencil stamps. And then it came out a lot better than the black and the silver ink. I'm not gonna lie, it did. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it, but it still came out pretty cute. As you can see here, it only came out halfway, but I was like, you know what? I'll just fix it later. So then I just repeated the process again. This is actually my third time actually putting Hello Pumpkin. And then after the third time, I was like, you know what? Third time's a charm. I am just going to go with it. However it looks, I'm just going to go with the flow and just keep it, you know, just keep it just like that. Like, oh, well, it, you know, I feel like white was a lot better against orange instead of the black. So I just keep on talking, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just love to talk. I am trying to be as detailed as possible. But as you can see, it was still a little bit crooked. It drove me crazy. It still drives me crazy till now because it's like I keep walking by it and I'm like, ugh, that is so crooked. But it's fine. It still came out cute. And then obviously you see me here not liking it and then covering up again. So you guys would just pretty much see me finishing up the pumpkin sign. And just to let you guys know, I am almost reaching 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited, and I want to just let you guys know I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for the people that are constantly commenting on my videos. I really truly appreciate you guys. I always try to get back to everyone. So far I've been struggling a little bit, so I'm a little bit behind in a lot of commenting, but I promise you guys I will get back to you. I just wanted to say a quick thank you, and as I am saying this, I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to do a giveaway once I reach my 1,000 mark. So if you can, please like, share with your friends, send the links to everybody. Just get me up there, guys. I really would appreciate it. I want to give you more videos. I want to inspire you guys even more. I just enjoy doing YouTube, and I just want to say a huge thank you for my loyal people. I really truly honestly appreciate you and adore you guys. So thank you so much. Okay guys, I ended up fixing the pumpkins. I just pretty much drew in the bottom part of the pumpkins. I realized at this point that I should have just drew it to begin with, but you see how crooked it is? It drives me crazy. Anyways, this is how it all looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did like doing this. I did get frustrated, but hey, that's what happens. I hope you like it. Please remember to subscribe, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you later. Bye.